independently certified, the most accurate in Central Kentucky.
Thanks for staying with us. We're joined now by Chief Meteorologist Jason Myers. And guys, we talk about it all the time. It's super cold outside, but when that sun's out, it sure makes it feel a whole lot warmer.
Oh, really, it really did today for sure. Wind has been a factor today, even though it was mild. Is that wind going to continue into tomorrow with this chance of snow and freezing drizzle?
Yeah. I wish. No, it's not excited. It's just we got a lot to talk about. But yeah, today was actually nice. Lower 50s. We had some sunshine. It was a little break from the cold that we had from this past weekend. Now we've got another round as we continue overnight tonight. Another cold front will move through. We're not seeing any precipitation right now, but as Tom was just talking about, yes, the gusty winds, they'll continue as well. If you've been out this evening and you had a hat on, you've had to hold on to the hat. It has been rather windy outside. Looking at a 3-hour time lapse here, you can see hardly any precipitation anywhere close to us. Roadways are dry right now. Again, temperatures have been well above freezing, lower 50s this afternoon. That's the good news. You know, on Saturday we had just a light amount of precipitation, but temperatures were well below freezing, so it really didn't make much as far as any snowfall accumulation, but we saw a lot of slick spots on area roadways. We could still see some slick spots as we head into Tuesday, even though we're not expecting much with snow, as temperatures are expected to fall back below freezing as the day goes on. So again, the timing for this precipitation anywhere from about 5 a.m. to 12 noon. It's a wintry mix of kind of rain and snow that looks to transition to snow as the temperatures continue to cool through the morning hours, with snowfall anywhere from about a trace to a half an inch. Not everyone will even pick up on much snow, and most of the activity at this time actually looks to be east of I-75, mainly for eastern Kentucky. But again, this could create slick spots on area roadways as temperatures will drop into the upper 20s later Tuesday afternoon. So our temperatures will actually be warmer Tuesday morning than they will be Tuesday afternoon. Satellite and radar showing more clouds moving back in all across the Commonwealth. There's actually just a little break in the cloud cover right across the bluegrass region at this time. Cold front to the west, that will begin to move through. We've got a secondary cold front up across the upper Midwest. That will also move through later in the morning hours of Tuesday, and it's that second cold front that will give us a better chance for seeing some snow. So lower 30s throughout the morning commute. We're going to be hovering around the freezing mark. Gusty winds will continue. Again, the potential for slick spots here on Futurecast from midnight into our early morning hours. It does show here at 7 a.m. snow showers developing. Kind of scatter type activity, mainly east of I-75. As the day goes on here by 12 noon, still looking at some scattered snow showers, but the snow is expected to taper off to just some flurries as we go from midday here into our later afternoon. And we should actually see some clearing from west to east, so we may actually see more sunshine by tomorrow afternoon. The high temperature will actually be 34 degrees. That will be around daybreak. Again, temperatures cool into the upper 20s as we get later in the morning hours or later in the afternoon hours. So later in the morning, we'll look to transition from a wintry mix to all snow with those temperatures cooling down. Temperatures outside right now, upper 40s to near 50 degrees. Sustained winds right now, about 10 to 20 miles per hour, with wind gusts at times up around 30 miles per hour. So it is very windy out there, and those winds are going to turn more out of the northwest as we go through your Tuesday. 34 degrees, cloudy skies, a rain-snow mix overnight with gusty winds continuing. As we head into your Tuesday, temperatures cool into the upper 20s later in the day. Light snowfall amounts. But again, even with light snowfall amounts, the fact that temperatures will get below freezing means we could have a few icy spots. Mid-30s Wednesday, 40 Thursday, back in the mid-30s on Friday. So today's lower 50s for highs, that's the warmest for the work week.
State started pre-treating roads today. The city of Lexington did as well in anticipation of tomorrow morning. And there could still be some problems. And remember, if there are any delays or closings, just go to WTVQ.com, click on the Snow Watch banner to get the latest there.
And slow down if you're on the roads. Two important words. All right, thank you, Jason. Well, will there be a special